The year was 1989. I was working at CERN, a bustling hub of scientific research. We faced a challenge, sharing information effectively among researchers scattered across the globe. The internet, still in its infancy, offered a solution, yet something was missing. A way to structure and link information seamlessly. This led me to develop HTML, the hypertext markup language. HTML was designed to be simple and platform independent. It used tags to define elements like headings, paragraphs, and links, allowing anyone to create and access web pages. The first website, launched in 1991, showcased the potential of HTML to organize and share information globally. The beauty of HTML lay in its simplicity. Anyone with a basic understanding of the language could create web pages. This accessibility fueled the rapid growth of the World Wide Web. It was the dawn of a new era, one where information could be shared freely and accessed by anyone, anywhere. The early 1990s saw rapid development in HTML. HTML 1.0, released in 1993, provided the foundation for web development. It introduced basic tags for structuring content, but the web was evolving quickly. New features and functionalities were needed to keep pace with the growing demands of web users. HTML 2.0, published in 1995, addressed these needs. It introduced new tags for elements like tables and forms, enhancing the functionality of web pages. This version also became an RFC, request for comments, marking a significant step towards standardizing HTML and ensuring its interoperability across different browsers. The development of HTML 3.2 in 1997 marked another milestone. This version introduced support for multimedia elements, allowing developers to embed images, audio, and video into web pages. It was also the first version to be standardized exclusively by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, solidifying the role of collaborative development in shaping the future of the web. As the web matured, so did the need for more dynamic and interactive experiences. HTML 4.0, released in 1997, embraced cascading style sheets, CSS, separating the presentation of a web page from its content. This separation allowed for greater flexibility and control over the look and feel of web pages. HTML 4.0 also introduced support for scripting languages like JavaScript. This innovation paved the way for dynamic web pages that could respond to user interactions. Web pages were no longer static documents. They could now offer rich, interactive experiences. The subsequent release of HTML 4.01 in 1999 further refined the language. It became an international standard, solidifying its place as the foundation of the web. However, the evolution of HTML didn't stop there. The need for stricter coding standards and improved accessibility led to the development of XHTML. The 21st century brought a surge in mobile browsing and web applications. HTML5, standardized in 2014, responded to these needs. It introduced native multimedia support, eliminating third-party plugins. Today, HTML5 is the cornerstone of the modern web. HTML will continue to evolve, driven by the need for faster, more secure web experiences.